Let others also join 1 minute. See, for this px will be 2x plus 3. So my question is, how many zeros are there and what is the value of zeros?
So the 10.
Only one zero. That is value of that zero is, what is its value? Value means x value we have to find. So from the graph, what is the value of minus? How much minus 3 by 2? Person said 3 by 2. Is 3 by 2 or minus 3 by 2? Please check Person once again. 3 by 2 or minus 3 by 2?
Minus 3 by
Minus
2,
3 by
sir.
2, right. So every time we have to check in graph where it is cutting the x-axis. So this graph straight line basically is cutting this x-axis at this point, minus 3 by 2 comma 0. So
If
minus
we
3 by,
take x as 1 also, then also you will get it easily, right?
right, easily. We can take, right, they have taken
1 and 5.
0 value also we can take. Y is 2x plus 3, so if we take x 0, so y will be 3. If we take x 1, and y will be 5. Small value also we can take, not an issue. Because see, if we take 0, no,
Then
x will be
7,
3.
3, 9, and the odd numbers will be there and the numbers will be increasing there.
Right. So for 0, x will, for x 0, y will be 3. For 1, this is 5 here, no problem. So basically, in next chapter, we have this plotting of graph straight line basically in our syllabus. And for that, a graph paper will be provided. Otherwise, we can make on notebook also, not an issue. So graph paper will be like this one. And one interval will be this much length, one gap. This is equal to 1 centimeter basically. One unit is 1 centimeter. And if you are plotting this straight line or plotting this graph on normal paper, normal notebook, so we can write scale also. What will be scale? So we can write scale means this now 1 unit length. So we can write 1 unit is equal to 1 centimeter on x-axis, and for y-axis also 1 unit equal to 1 centimeter. This is the standard scale value we can write. One is on x-axis, 1 unit is equal to 1 centimeter. Y-axis 1 unit, 1 centimeter. Any two values we can take. Any two values. 0 3 is also fine. 1 5 is also fine. 0 3 will be here, and 1 5 will be this one. We can join and extend on both sides. So we'll see. We have to check the graph where this graph is cutting, where this straight line basically graph is straight line, where this straight line cutting x-axis, because at this point y will be 0 and y was px. Px was 2x plus 3. That is basically y. So this will be 0 is y0. Px is, we can say indirectly y. Y0 will be at x-axis. So this will be basically value of 0, only 1 0 in this polynomial because degree is 1 and that value is x equal to minus 3 by 2. So for x equal to minus 3 by 2, px will become 0, or we can say if we put x value minus 3 by 2, we can solve here also. From the graph also we can say, we can solve also. Px 0, so this is 2x plus 3. So minus 3 will be equal to 2x and x will be equal to minus 3 by 2. X will be equal to minus 3 by 2. Right. Anyone having any doubt? So from the graph also we just have to check this where this straight line is cutting this x-axis, because at x-axis y0 and px we can assume as y. So this will be the value of 0. Now we'll see some other graphs. Suppose we have this one. For this graph, how many zeros and what are the zeros value? Javen, can you please try?
7, 0.
And then I want answer
Yes,
from zeros is two zeros or 1 0. How many zeros for this polynomial based on the by normal observation of graph? What we can say? How many zeros?
3, 0.
Three zeros.
So 3, sir.
Three zeros. Okay. Abhinav also you are saying three zeros. Okay. And one more important thing, see, if anyone is not knowing the answer, no, they can type DNK. What is DNK? DNK is do not know.
Sir, IDK. I don't
IDK,
know.
I don't know also is fine. I don't know. I don't know is very important because no, very important. Ki admit,
Shut up.
admit ki we don't know or I don't know. So I don't know. We have to type in message directly. You can just send me. So I don't know. In short, we can write IDK. Fine, because in chat I am observing. See, 2 zeros, right, Ashish? 2 zeros, Ashish saying, Harshan also saying 2 zeros. What about others? Harshan,
I think they're 2 zeros.
3 zeros. So, okay. So, 3 0
2
also and
zeros.
2 zeros only, okay. So, I'm getting 2 zeros also answer and 3 0 also. So, some of you are saying 3 zeros and some of you are saying 2 zeros. Version again, he said 3 zeros now. Okay, earlier he said 2 zeros. Fine. Steve 3 zeros, Rashul 2 zeros. Then we have Tanjila 2 zeros. Okay, most of you have said 2 zeros only. Others can also this now tell me the answers. Everyone has to participate. Vedika, Udbhav, Tushar, Tanvi. Total, see now, total we have students who have joined is
25.
21. I got answer from 3 of you, 3 to 4 of you only. So Tushar 2 zeros, Vedika 2 zeros. Then Hemant
Sir, we
three
have
zeros.
23.
23. Currently showing 21, 22 participants. Excluding me, it will be 21. Okay, no problem. So 2 zeros basically because this is a quadratic graph. Okay. So see, directly we have to go to this graph where this graph is cutting x-axis. Direct attack will be attack means directly we have to see the graph where it is cutting this x-axis, nowhere else. Only we have to see how many times it is cutting x-axis. X-axis, not y, not y, x-axis. This is x-axis and this is y-axis. So x-axis how many times it is cutting? This is 1 point, this is 1 point, 2 points. So basically number of zeros will be 2. Number means count. Number of zeros of this polynomial px will be equal to 2 and values of zeros will be 2 because x-axis we have to see how many times this graph is cutting x-axis. So this is cutting 2 times at this point and this point. The number of zeros will be 2 and what are the values at x equal to, because y will be 0, y means px is 0, so directly we can write x value, this point is -1 and x value as 4. This will be 4 because these are the two positions where it's not px, or we can say px attains 0 or y is 0 at x-axis. So that's why number of zeros will be 2 and value of zeros will be x equal to -1 and x equal to 4. Coordinate of point will be -1, 0 because at x-axis y is 0. So this coordinate of this point is, suppose this point is a, let this point as b, capital B. A will be -1, 0 and b will be 4, 0. So finally we can conclude number of zeros of this polynomial px will be 2 because at two locations, at two positions, this is cutting x-axis because y is 0 at x-axis. That is the main reason. Y is px. Px we have to make 0. So this will be at two positions and value will be at x equal to -1 and at x equal to 4. Now we'll see next question.
Sir, I have a doubt, sir.
Yeah, please ask.
Yes. Sir, see here. There are 2 marks for parabolas.
Okay.
One like u and one like n. So what are hyperbolas? What does hyperbolas look like?
This is parabola. This one u.
Yeah.
Curving up.
These
This
are
is curving down.
parabolas. But how do hyperbolas look like?
Where this hyperbola is there in the book? It's there. Okay? Any word hyperbola? Many things are there, but they is there in the book. Yeah? Anywhere you can show parabola, hyperbola, ellipse. Many things are there.
Hyperbolas are not here, but I read about them. So
No problem. See, you
I
can
don't
directly
know
see parabola is
both
one
are
nature. right, parabola is there, we have hyperbola, ellipse also, many things are there, but we'll stick to syllabus. Second thing, for C, because if it's the one word also there, then I can explain, not a problem. Still I will explain, but it takes some time, and basically we can say not required as this point of time, but we'll see. See, for a greater than
Okay.
0, a greater than 0, a greater than 0 means, see, graph of this, see, px is this one, px is this one, y is px, so px for this case is y, that is equal to x square minus 3x minus 4, and here the first term is a, we can write px as, px we can write as this one, here let me write, so px will be, so px will be equal to x square plus bx plus c, x square plus bx plus c. So a is positive, first term is positive, then graph will open upward, and it's opening upward, you can see in this graph also, it's opening upward, that means a is positive, this is going up, that means opening upward, that means a is positive. Suppose if in case px is negative, in case px is negative, so for this is for a greater than 0, for a, for a less than 0, graph will open in downward direction, so nature will be, so graph will be like this, it will go down when a first term is negative, first term a is negative, first term a is negative, so graph will, this is first term, graph will go downward, and here in this case we can see x square is positive, first term is positive, x square, so graph will open upward. Second thing, for hyperbola, see, hyperbola graph will is looks like this one, xy, this will be the nature of the graph, and equation is x square by a square minus y square by b square equal to 1. This is the, by taking x y value, suppose a and b are also constant, a and b are also constant, x square by, suppose if you take value, this is 9, a square is 9 minus y square, one second, if you take a and b value, then we can plot similar to like we had this straight line and parabola, y square by 16 equal to 1. So we will take xy value 0, 1, 2, 3. We get this kind of graph. We can plot. This will be the points. If we join smoothly, then we get the graph like this. Right. So this will be, we can say, hyperbola, and parabola we know. This will be parabolic curve or parabola. Now we'll see next case. So a positive, a negative, we know. No? A positive, then graph will open in upward direction. This will be the direction. A is negative, the graph will open in downward direction. For a negative, this is the nature. That's why they have used U and inverted U. Now I'll see next one. For both this graph, how many zeros will be there? For this one, this and this one. How many
So
zeros will
one.
be there? 1. Okay. So see, parabolic curve is also called as quadratic curve because we have degree 2. So we can say quadratic curve or quadratic polynomial or quadratic curve, or better we have one special word, parabolic curve. Or and the shapes are called curve. We call it as parabolic curve, and the shape we obtained is parabolas. Parabola, or we can say parabolas. Parabolas more than one, otherwise parabola. So this, for this one, these two cases, how many zeros are there? For first one,
Both two. Both two.
what 2? All of you are agree with 2 options, 2 values. Anyone having any other value? Zeros we have to find. Zero means the graph where it is cutting x-axis, always x-axis. So how many times or at what, how many positions it is cutting x-axis? So how many positions? See, clearly we can see 2 positions, 1 and 2, 1 and 2. So 2 positions. So basically, for first case, zeros will be 2, Second case also 2 zeros. Very easy to understand. Right, Hemant? What the answer? For the understanding. Second thing, because two positions, the graph is cutting the x-axis. So at those positions, px will be 0. Because px means y will be 0. There are two zeros. And we have this nature, we can say nature of the graph. It's going, if in first case, it's going downward. This is the nature. It's going downward. And in second case, it's going upward. So what we can conclude from this nature of this graph about value of a? Can you say something about value of a? First one is opening in upward direction. In second case, it's going in downward direction. So what are the values of a? Anyone?
Any point on the
Please repeat, sir.
Yes, I'm saying graph. See, nature of graph. If you observe, it's going first one. It's going downward. It's opening in downward direction, and second one is opening in upward direction. So what we can conclude about nature, the value of a, because this is quadratic polynomial, because we have this graph we called as a quadratic curve or parabolic curve, or simply we can call them parabola. If we take both of them, then we can say parabolas one by one. If we take one then parabola. So equation of px will be polynomial in terms of x will be ax square plus bx plus c. So what value of a for this one? A value, we can conclude a value will be less than or greater than 0 or equal to 0. What will be the value of a?
So greater than 0.
Greater than 0 for this one. Second one. Right person. So we can say this will be less than 0, no? For this is going downward. For going downward, less than 0. Going opening upward, greater than 0. Opening downward direction, a value less than 0. Opening upward direction, a value will be more than 0. Always. So it depends on a value. A value means this value. Suppose, let me take two cases. Suppose we have one graph, minus 2x square plus 3x plus 2. This is px value. And second one, px as 3x plus 4x square minus 5. Then that is minus 3x. For first and second, I have written in green. Px 2x square plus 3x plus 2. Second one, px minus 3x plus 4x square minus 5. My question is, for this now, for first and second, for which one graph will open in upward direction, and for which one graph will open in downward direction? Graph means curve. Curve will be parabolic, because degree is 2, maximum power of x is 2, degree is 2, maximum power of x is 2. What would be the answer? Because we, from these given values, we know, given graphs, we know it's going opening in downward direction, that means less than 0. Opening in upward direction curve, then a greater than 0. So px is given. By observing px, we have to tell कि graph will open in upward direction or downward direction. First one upward, second one downward. Okay, Pratibha. Tushar also correct, upward then downward, right? So I got answer from Pratibha and Tushar. Others can also try, or IDK you can write. I don't know. Very important to admit that I don't know. I don't know. Okay, Tanjla. See, let me explain. So by observing this equation, now we have to, now equation is given 2x square plus 3x plus 2. So here we'll see, we'll match with the standard equation. Standard equation of quadratic polynomial is x square plus bx plus c, x square plus bx plus c, x square plus bx plus c. If we match with the standard value, so a will be 2. In this case, x square coefficient is a value, x square coefficient is a value, right, Samrat? So x square coefficient is a value, so a is 2 here, and a is 2, that is greater than 0. And we know for a greater than 0, graph will open in upward direction. So this is this suppose graph is given, so this will be for first one. Graph will open in upward direction because we have this a value 2. 2 is greater than 0. How we obtain 2? By comparing with the standard equation. Standard equation is x square plus bx plus c, and given equation is 2x square plus 3x plus 2. So x square coefficient is basically a value. X square coefficient is a, here a and here 2. A value 2. 2 is greater than 0. That means graph will open in upward direction. For second case, Tanjila, can you try please? Second case, second equation is px is minus 3x plus 4x square minus 5. So what will be the nature of the graph? Graph will open in upward direction or downward direction. Rashul also can try because first one I explained. Second one you can try, Rashul and Angela. Second one, Ashish saying downward, Russian down. Second one, Ashish downward, okay. Pratibha is saying upward.
Sir,
Second one
can I
upward.
leave because I have another class at 8 p.m.
No problem, you can leave. No, this was actually last question only.
Okay.
So px is equal to minus 3x plus 4x square minus 5. Actually, you should now. I request all of you at least a 15 minutes gap should be there between classes. It's my opinion
I am
because
continuously doing classes from 4 p.m. So
actually 15 minutes to half an hour gap should be there. This is my opinion because gap is there not for relaxation, and gap is there for this. Suppose we have extra question or any doubt, for that gap should be there for 15 minutes, not for
yes.
taking rest. That is important thing because suppose we are going, so directly we cannot stop at this moment. We'll complete in 1 or 2 minutes, then we can wind up. So say by observing this one, this equation, second one, we can see a value is not minus 3, a value is not minus 5. What is a value? 4. A value is always coefficient of x square. A value is always coefficient of x square. A value is always coefficient of x square. So a is x square. A the coefficient of x square is a value. So a value for second case is 4. 4 means for this case also it will go up in upward direction. Graph will basically open in upward direction. So for second case also graph will open in upward direction because a value we have this 4 greater than 0. Right? Xavier, Tanjila, right? Because a value we have to see, not other values. See, minus 3 is b value here. If you compare, this is a value, 4 is a, then we have this b and this is c. So we have to only observe a value. A value is 4, which is greater than 0. That means graph will open in upward direction. Any doubt? Tushar said right, upward.
Okay.
Because we have to observe carefully.
No.
X square coefficient is a value, and a value we have to observe. A value is 4, so 4 will be greater than 0. That means graph will open in upward direction, right? No problem.
Yes, sir.
So we'll see some more cases in our next session. That will be on Friday. Many graphs are there in this. We have NCERT book. Fine, no problem. Fine, no problem in this question. 2 questions. Any doubt, then they can ask. Otherwise, others can leave. No problem.
Okay, sir. Thank you, sir.
Okay, sir. Thank you, sir.
Thank you. You all can log out. Session is over. Any doubt you can ask.
Okay, sir.
Another 5 minutes I am here. Thank you, Parshan. So Xavier and this now. Abhinav has log out. No problem. So anyone having doubt, they can stay back. Otherwise, you all can log out from the session.
So, like, can you explain this again, sir? Like,
Which one?
the second one, sir, like
Second one.
upwards
See,
opening. Yes, sir.
See. For first one, let me write 1 second. For first one, px was 2x square plus 3x plus 2. So if we compare with the standard equation of quadratic form, x square plus 3x plus 2 is the standard. Always you have to remember x square plus bx plus c, x square plus bx plus c. So if we compare, then we get the value a value 2 in the first case. A value 2, that is greater than 0. That means graph will open in upward direction. For second case, let me write Vx is minus 3x
Yes,
plus
sir.
4x square minus 5. So we have to arrange this as in a standard form. What is standard form? First term will be x square term, then x, then constant value. So if we arrange, this will become 4x square minus 3x minus 5. 4x square minus 3x minus 5. If you arrange this in this now descending power of x, descending powers of x, we can say, then 4x square minus 3x minus 5. 4x square minus 3x minus 5. Now we can compare with the standard equation. Standard equation ax square plus bx plus c. So if you compare, a value is 4. Only you have to check a value. A is 4. That means greater than 0. That means graph will open in upward direction. Exact graph we don't have to plot. Just we have to find the nature of the graph. So graph will open in upward direction because a value is positive. First term is not important. Important is x square coefficient, the number or the value which is attached to this x square. The value is 4. That means 4 is greater than 0. That means graph will open in upward direction. Here x square is with 2 is with x square. 2 is again greater than 0. That means graph will open in upward direction. Right now, only a value will decide graph will open in upward direction or downward direction.
Okay.
Fine. No? Okay. Thank you, Jason. So
Thank you, sir.
yeah, we'll have next session on Friday, 7 p.m. Yeah. Thank you.
Okay, sir.